Rare find in the heart of Kempsville near the Chesapeake and Virginia Beach line. Beautiful home located at the end of cul-de-sac in small quaint neighborhood sitting on almost 2 acres with its own pond. Open floor plan with 9 feet ceilings and 2-story foyer greets you as you walk in. Eat-in kitchen with bay windows and bar for plenty of additional seating. Cabinets offer tons of storage and pantry. Family room is on the back of the house and has lots of natural sunlight. Upstairs is the huge owner's suite with cathedral ceilings and a large walk-in closet. Owner's bath has double bowl sinks and spa-like jacuzzi tub with separate shower and toilet room. Laundry room and 2 more nice-sized bedrooms are also on the 2nd floor. Updates include gas hot water heater, dishwasher, HVAC and vinyl fencing. Path on the right side of the home leads to the neighborhood playground. You will not want to miss this opportunity.